How to unsubscribe from Domino's Pizza emails and text messages. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, if you find Domino's Pizza's email, simply click on it. I don't have one, so I'm just showing this as an option. You'll find unsubscribe option in here in the email. After you click on unsubscribe in here, it will pop up this page. Click on unsubscribe. After you click on unsubscribe in here, it will stop sending you messages in here. And after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to unsubscribe from Domino's Pizza emails and text messages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.